Today I'm showing you a quick video about how we get the inside of our cake tie-dye, and it's such a fun cake technique. I love it so much, so I'm excited to show you how easy and simple it is. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. To get started making our tie-dye cake, we obviously need cake batter, and all I did is just separate it, you can see, into 5 different colors. And then we need our cake pans. I'm just using 6-inch cake pans today. Then we'll start by adding 1 color to each cake pan. And then we'll just keep adding colors until we've used up all of our cake batter. Then once we get that done, you can see it looks so colorful and fun. You can leave it just that way if you'd like, or you can use a toothpick like I'm doing. I'm kind of doing a little swirl with my toothpick, and that kind of makes it look a little bit more tie-dye, and then I'll kind of pull it out on the sides in like a star pattern, so it just makes it more fun. Then we're gonna bake up these cakes. Look how bright and colorful they are. This is the front side of the cake, and then this is the back side. It's just bright and happy, you guys. I love tie-dye. Now, obviously we'll need to stack the cake and we'll need to frost it. Now for the fun part, we're gonna cut into our cake, and look at that bright tie-dye magic. So much fun and colorful and happy. I love it, and it's so simple to make this fun tie-dye cake, so I wanted to show you guys some of my tips and tricks today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'll have some more tips and tricks for you coming soon.